Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Little short message. I was going to fly the EAA bike tomorrow. The problem that I'm having right now is I don't want to fly it yet. I still have to put the wings, the bottom wings on and the top wing and do it like a fit test to make sure that I know how to put everything together and make sure all the controls work on it before I take it up to the field. So I want to do that first. So let me show you what I'm doing. So I got the bolts all set up, but before I put anything on the plane, I want to make sure everything works. That's number one. I want to make sure that that prop will taxi the plane. I do know I need a bigger prop. It just doesn't look like it has enough power with that prop. So I'm going to check the clubhouse to see if they have any bigger props. And if they have something that's maybe like a 16 or 17, I'll put that on instead. I have the receivers already inside the plane. I also have the upper wing, which is right here. And I want to make sure that this is the bottom wing. I want to make sure the bottom wing works and the servos work before anything goes up to the field. So it's always good to check at home before you get the plane all the way to the field and nothing works. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Once I get everything together and I do some tests on it, I'm definitely going to take her up to the field and get her flying. Will it happen this month? I don't know. But it should happen before. It will happen in the next couple of weeks. This video will probably come out next week. So yeah, most definitely the flight is coming up soon. So stay tuned. It will be coming. And when it does, you will know. And also, it's going to be a really good flight. I know I have a really good feeling that the plane will fly well. Again, I haven't flown a big biplane before, so I really am kind of nervous, as I am with every plane that I fly. So stay tuned, guys. The EAA bike is coming. The flight is coming soon. And when I do the test, when I put the whole aircraft together, you will see another video on that whole thing. Okay? Stay tuned, guys. More to come. Model Man Frank out. Talk to you later.